Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, he's a nice. Mate, this is a dinner fit food king. No problem. I only got one small bucket. One small bucket. Anyway, Saturday morning, 5 trailers in the car park. Now that could mean it's pretty bad weather out there, which I don't think it's that bad, but really 4 cars in the car park. I'm not too worried. I'm going to go out very close and short and do my usual thing. I am targeting some KG whiting, and a few squid as well, because I haven't got any bait, so I need to catch bait first, and get out there in probably half an hour's time. Okay, so as I said, I need to get some bait, so straight away I'm going to go for some squid. It is actually quite calm. It is a northeasterly, so the wind is coming from the shore, and it looks calm, but they do predict storms this afternoon, so it's a bit of a quick mission today. Let's do it. And another jig. Did well on this one. If I really wanted to go for calamari, I'd go to another spot, but I just want to hug in close because the storm will be coming later on. The northwesterly will be changing, and that's why there weren't many boats out in the boat ramp. But I mean, conditions like this, you guys keep sleeping and I'll keep catching. Like we got something pretty small, but my intention was to get a bit of bait. It's good. Okay, he's just on his prongs. It's pretty small. Let's have a look here. Oh, there. Don't even need the net. Right, lovely. And my Haramitsu Peabody did the trick, which I love this jig. It's called an injured whiting, I think it's called. But yeah, lovely squid. Calamari, not squid. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Definitely a calamari because it was throbbing. It's coming up to the surface. There we are. Net. Alright. Way to start the morning. Bit of fresh calamari spit in your face. Lovely. That's a better one, that one. Yeah, just crossed the line here. Well, this one here's a bit of weight. Yep. Oh yeah, look at the top. Yeah. This is a bit more lighter gear. And that line is bumping alright. I thought my line was crossed. I think it is, so I've got to come around here. Here we go. Oh, I don't like the chances of this one. Point blank range. That's a beautiful one. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely. Right? Lovely. Right on the crown of the head. What I'm going to do is, as I said, get some fresh squid for bait. I like using these legs. I'll put them over here. And back there. I'll put in 2 hooks. 2 baits. Plonk it down and see how we do it. Like a butterfish. Everybody, oh, it's never done. I might downsize my sinker. Okay. Now this is one, I'm sure it's a KG. It's got a lot of weight. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, he's a nice one. My net's got calamari. Yeah. Lovely. That's what we came out here for, and that's a fat one. On fresh bait. Mate, this is beautiful. As I said, I didn't bring a bucket, so I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with these. I'll put them in my pocket. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is a stonker one. Whoa, this is really giving me curry. Is he a KG or something else? Is that KG? Big thumping one. Big thumping one. Lovely. Beautiful. Okay. Woo. Oh, there's a big one here. Yeah, big one. Big one. Big fat one. It's an elbow slapper, not a kidney slapper. Mate, now I'm happy. Happy days. Might crack open that beer I had before. Woo! Gotta cut some more bait. Lovely. Oh man, should have bought a bigger bucket. Oh. I think I've wrapped around the burner cage. Not a good idea. Idiot. Well, my battery, second battery has just gone flat. I can still tape, but you probably won't hear me because it's a bit windy. So stay tuned to see how we do it. Oh, no fish. No fish. Whoa, lovely fish. Lovely fish. Getting rough. The northwesterly blowing. Bank it up, I've got a couple. Oh, time for a beer. Time for a bit more dessert beer. Lovely. So it's part of fish. Oh, it's KG. KG. Smaller one. Will do. Really rough. This might be the last fish of the day. That northwest is really picking up. I've got to get out of here. Alright, so now we're going to start to cook a nice juicy King George whiting and a red mullet. Very simple grilled fish in the oven. It's a secret from my mum. I'll just show you the ingredients. We've got some breadcrumbs, garlic, parsley, pepper, salt, olive oil. Put in a fair bit of oil. What do you reckon, Mum? That's plenty? So season it up, pepper. Parsley fresh from the garden, garlic. Okay, so just alright, just keep on mixing it around. Right, so you got the King George whiting and the red mullet. What we do a few little insertions on the skin. This side here. Oh, this knife's a bit blunt. Alright, nice and deep, one reckons. The other side, there you go. Beautiful. Now what we do, we get this filling mix. First do is fill up the cavity. Get more. And then you just need to rub it in. Fill up the cavity. And all these flavours are going to infuse into the flesh of this fish. Rub in your mixture as well. That side there, and as it cooks, this breadcrumbs will soak up all those nice juices from the fish. Alright, and that's simple, that's getting ready. Okay. Bacon tray. Probably got too much here, so it doesn't stick to it. There we go. And throw in King George. Can barely fit in there. Throw in the rest of the breadcrumbs all over it. There you go. A bit more of that, a bit more of this. Terrific. Dumbo. And this is basically, we're just grilling. You don't need to cover it. I will cover it later on because I'm getting a bit hungry and I want to eat it nice and quick. Just throw it in there. Right. So we have it. This nice fish has been grilled and finished off. I'll just quickly show you what I've done. I've already sort of pre-cut it, so the fish fillet comes off nice and easy. Put it on the plate, turn it upside down. Red mullet, pretty much the same thing. Take it off. Plate too, upside down. So check that out. I mean, that's nice white meat. You got the breadcrumbs infused with the garlic and the olive oil and the salt, parsley, bit of herbs, bit of veggies. Mate, this is a dinner fit for a king. Righto, time to hone in. There's a few little bones, you just move them out the way, pick them later on. I'm just going to grab this whole piece here. Guarantee there's no bones at all. One of the best eating table fish. It is expensive in the shops, so you go fishing for them, respect them, and enjoy them. Anyway, you know what to do. Tip your head, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time. Salud. Yeah, beauty.